Yo, what's good, chat? All right, so I uh I have my own resource pack that I've been working on, and low key, this one right now I'm just editing the GUI or the look for diamond armor. But um for this stuff, I guess you need like a specific plugin for doing like specific versions. This is only 1.21.4, but um I'm fine with that. I actually main 1.21.4. Unless it's for some other video type thing. So I'm kind of going with like a blue theme for this texture pack. I can show you guys in a minute where I'm at with the whole thing. Um, yeah. I'm trying to follow a general line for uh whatever like I'm following Minecraft's basic line. I'm just retexturing it, changing the colors basically. But I got into this recently and I actually really enjoy this. It's actually really fun to do, but you got to do it right. And I think I'm messing it up right now. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between the colors, but how's chat doing today? Do you guys need music? All right, this is my sleeping playlist, bro. But it's also got good instrumentals. I don't know how much. What am I even working on? Friends with me? I don't even remember anymore. Man, Chat eat Dave. Might need to change or add a color because low key this is yeah so hard to tell what I've changed and what I haven't changed yet. But I think I already changed that one. So it's rolling around. I've done like nothing for this one. I keep on forgetting to do this one. Is it? If you guys don't know, I love doing pixel art. So this is like super not easy, but this is very enjoyable for me. Crazy that the maintenance stuff's installed already. You can barely tell the difference in that. Does make things interesting. Let's add a little color change. I want to do that for that one too. Finished product for this should look pretty cool. And I want to do a different color scheme for the leggings. Because for whatever reason, when you're making a texture pack, um, like at least in this example, so we've got humanoid and then we got humanoid leggings. So this is what it looks like now, which I think is kind of cool. But then you have leggings, which leggings are, I guess, they're just big enough that they have to be different from whatever. Oh. I'm not really sure what I want to do for this yet. Um, Let me think about this one. I don't. Some days, man. Some days. Actually, this would be quite the contrast, but oh, actually, I wanted to do a white. I wanted to do white, so I think what I could do like that. I could do, oh yeah. Let's see. Start with darkest colors. I low-key just needed someone to talk to, and I got no one, so decided I would just stream. Paying attention to this is kind of hard because there's so many colors. So whatever it is. Okay, so it's that shit. How am I supposed to get on? I think this will look cool. I hope this looks cool. But put some people to sleep with this music for real, for real. Whole stream finna get copyrighted. You know what's up there. Ooh, actually, that kind of adds. Okay, that's actually kind of cool. Alright. Resistors. And for that, we'll just use those. And that, I think it's some accent. That's a lot of accent, but alright. Save this texture. I think I want to do one for each bit of armor, but I have like okay, I've only adjusted the diamond boost PNG, but if we load up an instance now, I just gotta wait for it to do its thing real quick. Yes, this is Neoforge, but it works just fine. Alright. So if we go, we get diamond armor. Obviously, I have not changed the look. Although, wait. Diamond ore looks cool. Oh, actually, I really like that texture. So I made this texture. So now, I understand. Also, obviously, like I have the netherite armor. So right now I'm wearing netherite armor, which, yeah, I'll show that in a second. I actually, okay, it's not great. It's not great, but it's all right. And then we got netherite armor. By the way, that's with trims. Let me get the netherite armor without trims. Although I will say I do like it without trims. But yeah, I mean, although I really like the look of iron on this netherite armor. Hmm. I do like that a lot more than previous textures though. Does this have, bro, this netherite looks like it has, I don't know. Netherite textures are so weird. It looks nice in the back too. I don't know. I like that though. I don't feel like it needs a little more pizzazz, but I don't even know what I'd add to it to make it look better. Like obviously you can't compare with netherite, but the thing is though, one of the things I don't like, wait, operators. So if we look at, for example, if we want to look at tools, so like I've adjusted the mace and whatnot. So like the mace is blue, which I mean obviously kind of matches this. Man, not really. Some of the stuff I actually like gotten from Pinterest. A lot of these, some of these images aren't my own. But I mean, we look at if we look at tools, like I've adjusted all the netherite and all the diamond, but I haven't adjusted gold, iron, stone, or wood or anything. I mean, it's not like anyone actually uses them. I guess I'm gonna look through and see what items I even want to adjust. Because like I haven't done anything with stone. Probably should do that. Um, haven't I just cobbled deep slate. Tough is just an AI image. Like iron is a custom image. I made that just that could be cool to customize some of this, but I don't even know what I do. I kind of want to do something different for my sword, but I'm not really sure what. Like right now, netherite sword is this PNG that I yoinked from Pinterest, and that's it. Like I should do a custom thing for the bow, low key, but I don't even know what I do. Like besides make it blue, maybe. I mean that is kind of like the point of this texture pack, but it's just to bluify everything. But I don't know. I wonder if I can use the base arrow to change the rest of the arrows, but if I had to go through and change every single arrow, that would be so tedious. I think I wanted to do shulker boxes too, or at least I wanted to change the default. I mean, I don't know who designed the default color for shulker boxes, but oh yeah, I wanted to do. I need to figure out how to do this to inventory stuff. That would be so cool. So wait, I think I have goals for stream. Let's ooh, no one even corrected me on my mistype, bro. Adjust. Oh, shulker box and inventory. Visuals. Okay. And small set. String goals. Alright, so I don't know if I'm gonna do arrow, but I definitely want to do bow and shulker box. So all we just do is save and quit, and we go back to workspace. I'm honestly just gonna leave the diamond stuff as it is. I like it enough. I'm not gonna complain. Alright, so let's see if inventory. Dude, there's no way. Wait. Oh, I can actually just straight up add this. No way. That's crazy. Oh, I have. I might need to learn how to layer things. Because I want to do. I think, wait. Because I can do. Can't I do layers? I don't know. So wait, what is... I don't know what this is, but if I... Let's not do that. Layer, alright, inventory. I don't wanna... Okay, this is really exciting and really annoying at the same time, because now I have to figure out what kind of inventory to do. Like I can follow. Oh, it's interesting that it didn't update those colors. Part of me wants to do an image, but I have no idea how to do that, and that would take me a while. I would have to. I think. Yeah, I would have to add an image. So let me just go on to Let's use an AI image real quick. High quality. All right. Let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Size. 4K, 8K, ultra, realistic, photorealistic. What even is that aspect ratio? I think that's a square. I could be wrong, but I believe that's a square. Generate. All right. Let's see. Um, I might just have to. I'm not sure yet. Okay. While I'm waiting for that, what I'm probably gonna end up doing. Let's look at the other stuff. So, what did it say? So, is creative? Wait. Yeah, I don't know. I think while I'm waiting that, I'm gonna do bow. Oh, yeah. Okay, maybe not, because that's a lot of. Well, it's gonna take forever to do. Right. So if I think I can just. No, I can't. Okay. What is generate? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Generate from template. All right. So actually, we'll go back to inventory. I'll show you guys something cool. So we go back to inventory. We can do. Oh, that's right. Right. So we just close out of this page, and then we delete selected, and then we import a file. Now you guys aren't gonna see this because yeah. Import that file, and eventually it should load. We should. Yeah. So I think what I need to do now, besides that, to have it so 512 by 512 resize and move that around. Is that gonna? Okay, that's not gonna keep the inventory thing. So what I have to do now, what I should have done, is go back to workspace, get a screenshot of this, and then yeah, to be honest, this might be too much. I might have to just throw. You know what? I'm gonna throw this into an image editor real quick. No, I should either just do that. All right. Here, like so. All right. How do I want to do that? I gotta think about how to do this. You guys aren't going to see this screen for a second. Just while I'm going through and just actually, well, wait, I can do this. I think. I think I can show it to you guys. So basically, what I'm trying to do now, is I need to be able to make this layer transparent. So I can hide that. All right. If I can multiply. I'm gonna be so for real. I would actually be satisfied with that. Screen lighter, overlay. That actually, wait, overlay actually looks really good. Lighten, color dodge, color burn. I like that one too. I'm gonna end up trying a couple different things with it. Oof. That looks so bad. Ooh. Oh. Um. Yeah. I think those are gonna be a no-no. Luminosity, no. Alpha erase, mask. All right. So I think it was multiply. Multiply or no. Light and overlay. No. I think multiply is gonna be what it is. So. All right. So now, if you look. Dude, I can't believe I figured that out in like 10 seconds, bro. It took me 2 minutes to figure out. That's crazy. All right, so now what we do, we're gonna change his name to, um, what is it? So this is called the Blue Spirit Pact, or Blue Spirit Items, technically Pact. Fuck, I don't know. Yeah, whatever. I'm not worried about those details. BSI inventory, V1. And I think, yeah, opacity. Okay, cool. Now what I can do is I can change the color and the vibrance. Like I can change everything to give it a little more flavor. Actually, I'm gonna leave it there. 10. Ooh, actually. And obviously this is not a real image. Okay. I'm gonna chill on the psychedelics real quick. Alright, brightness, exposure, contrast. Contrast, don't really need no contrast. This is already like sharpen. Clarity? No, we don't really need clarity. Compare, yeah. And that already looks so much better. I think I might actually move. Nah, that's too much. I might leave that up a little bit. Highlights. I really don't care that this isn't perfect. Because I can actually use this. So now what I do, we'll actually crop this. So if we look, make sure this is the right size for inventory. And voila. So now that should be the right size. Save this. Save it as a PNG. We'll rename it to BSI inventory V1. Save that. Save. Alright, now I'll go back to this. I'll get exit out of that. Delete selected. Okay. Now I can import this new file. That it'll look the same as the old one for a second, and then it'll update it. So we edit into the override. Oh wait, actually it might not be. What is the original size? Hold on. Okay, actually, I need to edit the override so I get an understanding. Because I don't know what the original workspace size is. Wait, is it? Okay. Delete selected. Alright, it's gonna take it a second. I need to know what size this is. Because having this the wrong size can actually be pretty bad. Yes. Right. So, I select. Wait. We have 175, 165. All right, 175 by 165. Okay, so what that means for this then is we have to. So currently it's 1,000. Okay, we need a background image now, or to leave the background image as it is. Okay, so oh wait, it's because I didn't merge it. Let me merge these two layers. Okay, wait. Merge down. Okay. Now, all right. So now we can adjust properly. I guess because I don't know if I can adjust the specific image. Oh wait, actually I can. 175 by 1. Oh, is it gonna be? Oh, that's interesting. All right. Okay, let's undo that because I think it was canvas size should stay the same. Image size. Is that gonna do the thing it did again? Because, well, why is it changing the whole thing? Hold up. Because I don't want it to be. I guess let me get one of these and let me see how this works. See, this is the joy of inventory too. This is the joy of doing all this. And like, don't get me wrong, I really enjoy doing this stuff, but it gets pretty frustrating sometimes. Because you're doing thing after thing after thing after thing after thing, and it's just, it's not it. No, it's too small. So I guess what I could do then, because if I had to do it right, yeah, that doesn't even look good. So then I guess what I'll do, I'll go back to this. I'll close out of this. I'll delete selected. I'll re-import the original file that I had, and then I'll just bring it down to. It'll take a minute for it to load. Yep. Edit override, and then we'll do a resizing of the image to, I think it was 178, 165. I think it was one. Okay, it's gonna let me actually do this. Pixeler is a little iffy sometimes. Resize. That looks really small. That looks scary small. Okay, wait. Let me. Yeah, that can't be right. I think it needs to be. Okay, wait. If we do Command Z, I think what we need to do is I think we need to do a 1/3 of its current size, or 2/3, because I think that's what the original does. I might need to get another workspace. But if the let me do some math real quick. So if the original, okay, let me not question it. I want to make sure I get this right. So we'll do some math real quick if I can close out of this workspace. So we'll delete selected. We'll once again create an override, and then we'll, okay. So the whole image is a 256 by 256. Okay. And then this corner is 175, 165. All right. So if we do 175 divided by 256, sorry, 256, we're left with a 60. What was it? It's about 2/3 size, and then 165 divided by 256 is about 64. So basically what I need to do then is, man, what are these math, bro? All right. So now what we do, we delete the selected. Now that I know what I need to do, I get the image one more time, edit the override, and I'm looking at, so we take this number and then we multiply by that number, or is it divide? Divide by that number, or wait, 951 divided by multiply. That's okay. There we go. Sometimes I hate math. I just can't believe I'm using math to figure out a resolution, bro. All right, so now I need 1024 divided, or no, it is times that number. Oh wait, I did that wrong. You guys can't see what I'm doing because I'm doing a completely different device. But 1024 times 68%. Okay. And that is 700. Okay. So that should be perfect. I'm actually gonna try this out right now because if I actually just figured that out, that's crazy, bro. So that would be so cool. I mean, it'd be a lot less editing, but because I do want to have a custom, like, I want to have a custom inventory, you know? I probably have to figure out how to import that for Creative Tab as well, which is gonna suck buns. Alright. Um, it didn't save. Oh wait, no, it's because I'm in Creative. Survival. There we go. Oh, that is cool. It looks a little off kilter. I'm gonna be so for real, but um, it does feel over like a little stimulating. I will say that. Just like I like the general idea of it. It fits well, but I don't know. There's something about it that just throws me off a little. Um, I'm pretty sure my slots are off by a little bit too. Yeah, everything's misplaced by a little bit. Okay, same quits title. make sure. Do I even have everything aligned properly? I don't even know what to do to change it. This is where things are just like, I don't even know what to do. Shoot. I guess I'm gonna leave it, which I probably shouldn't. All right, creative inventory, tab inventory. Let's get this figured out. So this is also 256 by 256, but this one, all right. And now we'll figure out the aspect ratio for this. So we just do 194 divided by 256, and then 135 divided by 256. We get both of our numbers, and then we'll also do the same thing. I think I'll probably use the same image for creative, unless I can come up with something else. Because if we look, I don't have a reason. It is a little stimulating. Although, oh wait, actually I do need a different image. What am I saying, bro? I need a completely different image because it's creative. It's not even. If it was survival, then yeah. But... All right, so open that up. Get Pixlr back out. Um, so now open image. Let's generate something. We'll do, what do I want to do for an image? Let's do infinite galaxy. Like private square, or wait, I need landscape. It should be landscape. So now we'll just wait for this. By the way, not sponsored. I just like using their products. Otherwise, I may try my hand at something a little. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. AI. I love AI slop. It's good enough. So now what I'll do is I actually need this back over here. So now what I'll do is I will go back to Pixlr, open photo editor, open image, open this image, take, where did it go? Okay. Take that. What did I do with my, paste that in. All right. So now we do the blend thing. We do multiply again. I think overlay was pretty cool. I think darken helps just see, but visible merge down. So they're merged now. And then I just crop it so it's like that. Okay. Apply. And then what I could do actually, I don't even know. Let's. That really just looks like a bunch of sand in the middle. I'm gonna be so for real. This is actually kind of cool, you know, like have a creative inventory that didn't really have any color. Uh, oh yeah, I guess I've been forgetting to add HDR, bro. Contrast. Apply filter. Oh, wait. Oh. Actually, wait, this could be really cool software. Okay, wait. I might be cooking with this. Hold on. I actually, wait. I'll Loki. Okay. That actually could be really cool. All right. Creative inventory. Save. All right. Save that. All right. Bring that over here so you guys can't see it. And now what we do is we take that out, delete selected. I have my information, import the file, and then we change. It'll. All right, loaded. And now we change this to be, so it's 1000. So let's see. Almost 1024 times that. All right. So it's 6, 5, 713 times that. Oh, interesting. 375. I don't know if it'll let me do that specific. That looks horrendous. That looks more like a 16 by 9. I don't know. I guess we'll try this real quick. This makes me think I should have done something a little different though. Creative. That don't look bad. I just gotta get rid of. I gotta change the tab items, and I gotta change the UI for all this. So if I do, so let's put this on real quick. Yeah, and that looks cool. Yeah. Oh, that's sick. And oh, it does work. So, and there's the blur too. So, okay, I need to remember to add HDR to my stuff. I want to know how do I? Okay, I think what I want to do. Okay, I've got the tab inventory now. All right, containers. Ah, wish it would show me more. I wonder if it's under tabs. It is, bro. There's no way. Tab item search. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do then. Interesting that these are different sizes. I guess I didn't do my scaling right. Huh. I think I'll probably use the same system since this is for creative stuff. Well, do I really need to do creative stuff right now? I don't. Oh wait, no. Yeah, that's no. Okay, oh there's more. Uh, Um, yeah. Uh, uh, I'm not doing that right now. We. Uh, craft. I don't. Oh, I should adjust that. Crafting tables. Because I can. Well, I can just completely adjust this, right? So crafting overlay. Okay. So crafting table. I think this is just where. Right, yeah, I just take this. I take screenshots of these and then do my best. So wait, I create an override. I like creating overrides and having a picture, getting a screenshot of them in here. It's, it's really helpful. So now, it don't really matter. So now we go do this again. And then we do overlay. I don't like how bright that is. So we'll do multiply. I think we'll do multiply for this one. And we'll merge down. So those are merged now. And then we can crop the image. Apply that. Alright, let's see. And now filter. We'll add HDR. Contrast. Because I forgot to do that on the other ones. Filter. It is sometimes the cool to do this, but I really don't want. I'm not really trying to mess myself up while playing this game. Like, it's cool, but no, we're not doing this. tan lines could be cool too. Just as like visual stuff, like some of this could be really cool, but I don't know. There's not really a point, unfortunately. I don't like that. Alright, let's imagine. Alright, cancel that. I don't know if I want to focus again or what, but um I guess focus? Is that even worth it though? It's not even worth it low key. Alright, filter. Adjust. So now what we'll do the same thing. We'll just make it a little more vibrant. Saturate it a bit. That HDR should make this a lot more reasonable. Make it a lot more easy to use. Whatnot. Alright. Crafting table. PSI V1. Can't tell this is pretty tedious work. Mouse location is not in the right spot. So if I do, so it's 175, 165 again. Alright. So delete selected. I suppose I could just. I could just do that. It's pretty. Actually, wait. How does that look? Don't close the page. Alright. How does that look? I want to go into game and check this out. Alright. So now we go in here, we go in here. So now when I crafting table, no, that just it doesn't work. All right, let's override So I need to shrink this down. And I can't just do 170, 65. And I can't just do that. No. Unless I change my canvas to 256 by 256. Does that work then? I don't think that's what I want because I want to be able to have the visual clarity of this image. So then what I have to do is, let me calculate this. So if I do, right, 256 divided by 165 as well. Okay. So then I need 1024 divided by that. Um, hold on. System processing. Something just came up. Might have to go for a sec. I'm just. This life had to be difficult. Okay, so I think, well, these specifics are crazy. 699, 9999999. So she 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. 795. Bro, of course it's gonna be weird. And then the other one is that number divided by that. And that, okay. So in theory, this should be the correct size. All right, let's try this now. I'm actually gonna start turning off my screen when this comes up because I actually don't know if this is blowing up my IP or not, but I didn't even think about that. It shouldn't be because I'm not running any servers. But all right, we got it. I'll display it once. That actually looks pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that actually. I wanna, I like that because we go on my, obviously I have the Galaxy. I've got HDR here. It looks, oh, wait, that looks, oh, sorry, position. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I don't even know. I wanna take a break real quick, and I will be right back. I need, I need a full screen. All right, I'll just be right back. keeping two viewers on a blank screen. Nothing's even going on, just music's playing right now. That's crazy, bro. Crazy. Alright, let's see if I actually was. Okay, I gotta think about this real quick. Because one of the things, like, if anyone's new who hasn't been watching, basically I'm working on a resource pack right now. I haven't really done much. Let me turn on my screen again. Alright, so I just finished doing the crafting table, which looks pretty good. But now I need to do, I mean, I low key do not want to, no, I don't want to go through all that. I do not want to go through doing all that right now. So my next thing, shulker box. Alright, I just want to do default. Although oh my goodness, bro. Yeah. Shulker box. Alright, so let me know how I want to do this one. Because I might make it easier to look at. I feel like my inventory stuff needs to be easy to look at, even though I literally have not been doing that at all. Let's does it actually show when I'm taking a screenshot? I think I missed the corner. I did. Alright, let's try this again. Alright. I think I missed the corner again. It'll have to be good. Alright, so now we go over to Pixlr. And then, alright. So I got that copied. Go back home, open image. We use this one again, create new, copy and paste that, and then we expand it. And then we blend with, I think, multiply overlay. I don't like how bright that is. I really think multiply is the best. And I actually really like that too. That actually, like, that don't look too bad, you know? You know what I'm saying? Oh, bro. Got something in my eye. Alright, so now we crop it. Bring it down. Oh, wait, actually, wait, can I even crop that? Yeah, I can. Alright. Apply. Alright, so now it should only be, actually, wait, let's bring that up a little. Alright, cool. Now what we can do is we can do effects or filters. Actually, or HDR. Add some HDR, make it more vibrant. Add some contrast. Compare it. Go back. Adjust. Add some vibrance. Let's do 75. 74. Nothing too crazy. I mean, this is crazy. This is very sensual, very visual, but I like it that way. At least I think I like it that way. Yeah, that's... Alright, save that. PNG. We've got shulker box and BSI V1. Alright, save that. And now we bring this over here. Close out of that. we create an override to see how big this is. 256, and this one is yet again a 175 by 165. So we close out of that. We delete selected, import file, import that. It'll load in a second. It's gonna be too big. You're gonna go into it. I need those. I think it's 1699 by 611. So what? Yeah, 699 by 611. Such weird. 9 by 611, and that should fit perfectly. And now to block out my screen. All right. And the reason why I keep loading and unloading this so many times over is just to make sure that this looks good. Because, yeah. I was honestly wanting to redo here. I did want to redo this shulker box texture, but to be honest, it's that's a lot of work. Like that, like stuff like the diamond block, I can do easily, but that's nice. I will need to change the font though if I want to leave it like this. I'll need to. Okay. So why is it off kilter, bro? Why? No. So that's no, this is the one part that I hate about texture packs. Like when you mess it up like this, and I have no idea how to fix it. This thing. Like I know that sounds silly, but like I have no idea how to fix it. Might just I guess my only thought is just to not do images, but all right. I don't know, but I know I can't have shoot, bro. Like no, this part. Okay, this actually sucks. So I think I do want to see. Let me get that out of my face. Get a little more space. So I think I can do fill. So let me get some colors. So I think what I wanted to do um I think I wanted to do a more of a dark theme. All right, let's do that. I love this game, bro. Actually, wait, I need to do this one. And then I can do that. Is that enough of a difference? There's not enough of a difference there. Oops. Let me do that one. Oh, that'll do the entire thing. There we go. And then do Yeah, that looks about right. All right. So then for all of the boxes in the middle, yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, my life has been like, I don't even know. I kind of, well, it does make me curious though how I should go about doing the outside. So see how it's like all I don't want to wait. How does green look in there? Oh my goodness, bro. I can't do green. I kind of feel like I need, you know what? I'm just I'm just gonna leave it white like that. I think that's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but it's fine. It's good enough. That may just be me being lazy, but that's good enough for me. All right. Oh, I should think about this real quick. So yeah, okay. So this is the actual shulker. Okay, the shulker box. Interesting that they only show one side of the shulker box. I do not like this color. Like whoever came up with this color, like I appreciate you, man, but no, never again. Never again. I want to do some custom colors, so I am gonna do a little bit of variation. I'm gonna introduce some purple items. Because purple do be kind of cool sometimes. There are gonna be some extreme colors. Alright. We will do bam 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 bam. You know, I hate it when they use slightly different colors. Like this is a different color purpleness. Like there's two different purples there. That's not one purple, that's two purples. Screw that, bro. This is either gonna be cool as heck or this is gonna look horrible. I love how I'm doing the wrong ones too. Supposed to be doing outside, but whatever. Alright. Yes, I know this is inconsistent. What if I just do that and then I just do what? And then what if I just do no, I can't do it. I need to do okay, let's do that. Do that. There needs to be variation as per usual. That is huge variation. Those basically look the same. Basically are the same. Save texture. Okay, wait. I gotta see this. I got to see this, bro. Monster do I have? Oh, it's just back. So I don't think it's saved. Unless I'm a bot. I did save this texture. I don't even wait, hold on. Let me make sure. Yeah, wait. The block itself is just okay, hold up. Let me retry relaunching this. Dude, I'm like me no understand. Me no understand. I think that's okay. Nope. Changed nothing. So what is that even? Shoulder box? I'm confused, but okay. Wait, is he? Does he even show on any of this side? Wait. Oh, that's weird. So it shows the new particles, but it doesn't show the actual. Okay, yeah, I'm just not showing you because it's not really worth showing you, but that's so weird. But you would so here I'll explain something real quick. So when I'm looking at this, you would think that this would be only for the shulker, right? But I think I don't know. Don't get me wrong. I might just look for a shulker to pack for right now, and then I don't know. Because low key right now, everything's just like everything's all goofy. So if we look at everything I added today, most of it's messed up. Like I don't even know, man. I feel like I need to change the font. But like in equipment keyboard. Although I am happy with how this turned out. I might low key just update my current stuff. Because I do like having this as my inventory. I do like this as my inventory. I do like having this as a crafting table. But there's just oh, I wanted to update. I did want to update this. Okay, hold up. That I have no idea. I want to do scythe, you know, but or a katana, but like I don't know. I'm supposed to do what we're saying right now, man. To be honest, I just want to use like something though. I wonder who's watching me. You know what? Every comment. Hmm. So what we're gonna do? I'm gonna see if I can yank some. I almost want to do a drawing, to be honest, but I would probably have to make this visual be bigger than 32x. Um, Gotcha. Crazy stream. It's almost been 2 hours. Yeah, Pixlr isn't gonna help me very much. I'll need to actually come up with my own design. Okay, I'll come up with something else. For now, I'll take this. I know my menus are messed up, but it's better than nothing. Alright, I'm gonna pause screen while I save this. Alright, it is BSI Mellow 1.0.5. Okay, that should be saved now. So now what I'll do is I'll just exit M Creator and then I'll launch an actual thing in Minecraft. Let me get this loaded up real quick. Oh wait, actually, I forgot to install some new mods on this one. I think. Oh wait, this is honestly. If I say playing Donut SMP, it ain't gonna matter. I might not even play Donut SMP. Although we'll see. Donut SMP did give me some crazy views, bro. Uh, hate being hungry when I'm not hungry. So do this. Disconnect real quick. Login. Oh, there's no way. Wait, is. I'm not already online, bro. I hate when my game does this to me, bro. Game count switcher. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, bro. Man, coach, bro. Alright. If this doesn't work, I'll just do something different. Yeah. Alright, we'll go on Frost Hex. Just this actually wait, this is low-key kinda cool. Actually. Let me get rid of that one. Let me add the new one. Alright. There's the new one. Whatever my one viewer is gets to see. I mean, it's the same as literally every other one. It's a little different, but it's basically the same. Oh yeah, that looks so cool in game. Alright. There we go. Alright. Yeah, so you can see my render distance is good, bro. Render distance, let's lag. Okay. I think I'm on an Appleseed. I gotta love me some good free look. I need a better keybind for free look. Not free look, but for the view switcher. What we should be doing? I don't even know. Let's I don't know. I mean, this is cool and all, but I can't really show it off, really. I mean, I can, but there's not much to do. Alright. Go. Let's do an electrolyte race, bro. Tracks. Oh wait, what? Oh, I don't think I've done this one yet. I'm not sure why I need. Forget how to reset. Oh, right. I have no idea where this one is. $9,015 is crazy. All right. No way I'm off by a minute right now, bro. For a whole second. I'm off by how old, bro? Yeah, dude. 2:45, 3 seconds. Makes you think I missed a checkpoint or something. No. Oh, man. Minus 220 now? Bro, what is going on with this in-game timer? Oh, 4,000? The fact that I haven't even gotten a gold medal yet, though, is kind of crazy. Oh, way, bro. Dang. It's crazy, bro. Yeah, I'm not even sure how to. Okay. That is a hard map. I'm spent. Crazy that I've only spent 20 Vanilla Speedway Elytra. What? What? It's auto resetting me. Ooh. I think you just go too low, then it resets you. Which I guess makes sense, but what? Oh, I don't even know my score for this one. It's not, I need a different texture pack for this, dude. Like they made it impossible to see in that one. My record on this map is beyond insane. Not as insane as some of the world records, but yeah, wait. What is the oh, they don't have the world records here anymore. Wonder what they did with leaderboards. Oh, I don't know. I mean, all right. Well, Ohio Island is crazy. What did I just run into? I just, dude. Okay, there is such a massive difference with ice boating with free look versus ice boating with F5. Like the controls are insanely different. Yeah, anyone who does ice boating and free look is actually insane. Oh, there's no way. All right. Let's The water portions for this are always so annoying. And then go around this for whatever reason. And then go over here. That should be a full lap. 306 on that is kind of crazy. I want to be so for real. All right, let's this.
I hit the billion. Yeah,
Okay, give
I
me a
will
billion.
give you a
Give me a
billion.
billion and I'll start this.
There's a billion for you. Whoa, no way, no way.
Give me a billion.
We need some of these other resource packs on. Like, I want to get. It's the one fire. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to make it so that fire and shields and stuff is smaller. I actually low key forgot about that. Oh, man. All right. Um. Yeah, that's so sick. Hold up. All right. So now if we look, 21,000. All right. Oh, there's no way. It's crazy, bro. All right, chat. We get two skilly spawners. Ooh. Yeah, I really need to update all this. My goodness. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot I didn't update the model for Diamond Armor. It's just once you put it on, it looks different. It just doesn't look different until you put it on, bro. Yeah, like wait, see what I mean? Like it breaks with the color change, but it's not actually different. Alrighty, time to trade. Oh, finally, bro. My game was bugging out yesterday. Wasn't allowing me to trade properly. Let's rename this. Ooh, bro. I guess I should have wait. I was like, why is this not working? I was so confused for a sec. And then wait, where's default dark mode? I think default dark mode will directly counteract it. Will that directly counteract it? I'm pretty sure. Well, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna need to figure out how to change all that. Yeah. Cool. See, I like that UI a lot better. And my villagers aren't bugging, bro. I wasn't able to get full trades yesterday. No, bro. Oh, wait, what? I thought it bugged out again. It must just be that instance. I'm not doing. I don't know if that's someone watching my stream or what, but not TPing to your races right now. Just grinding for a little bit. I did it again, bro. I mean, who needs rabbits too? Like, real. I need me more villages, bro. Yeah, dude, that's really bad. That's really, really bad. At least it's not as bad as some of the other ones I've seen. I've seen some really bad ones, bro. Think it. You just feel like sleeping, but there really isn't much I can do. I really just need more villagers. It cycles sometimes. Isn't this so beautiful? Look at the big guy over there. Oh, oh, oh.